Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Oluchi here, and if it's your first time, you're very welcome. In this video I'm going to be talking about the ordinary hyaluronic acid, but first of all I will tell you guys a bit about hyaluronic acid just in case you don't know. So hyaluronic acid, basically it's found on the skin, it's found in the connective tissues, and it is also found in the eyes. So its main function is to keep the skin, the eyes, and then the connective tissues lubricated and moist at all times. When you use this on the skin, when we use the hyaluronic acid on the skin, it promotes healthy and supple skin. It helps to alleviate dry skin. Then it helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines on the skin. And then we know that like with time, when we start to age or when environmental factors kick in, for example the UV rays from the sun or pollution or even like from smoking, all these factors tend to decrease the amount of hyaluronic acid on the skin. So this is why we need to like incorporate hyaluronic acid into our skincare. And then the thing is that some of these products already contain hyaluronic acid in the moisturizers, but taking a further step to using this on the skin will really help to alleviate the skin problems if you have any, or just to take care of the skin and make the skin look healthy and supple. The one I'm going to be talking about today is the one from The Ordinary, the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. So this product right here, it is oil free. It's said to deliver intense, long-lasting moisture to the skin, and it swiftly smoothens and perfectly plumps. I totally agree with all these points. And then it attracts up to 1,000 of its weight. Like I told you, that's what hyaluronic acid is known for. It can hold up to 1,000 of its weight in water. Yeah, I got this for I think about £5, and I haven't used this for up to like a month, and I've nearly run out of it. So this is one of their products that they also have in this one. It comes in 30ml. They also have it in 60ml, because like you tend to exhaust it really quickly, because like it feels so good. And then you can use it morning and night. It works with any other skin products you're using, even if it's acids, retinol, or whatever. It goes hand in hand with most of the skin products. And then so it's on direction, it says apply a few drops on the face AM and PM before creams. So yeah, that's how you apply this. And then like I said, I've used this for about 3 weeks now, and I've nearly exhausted it. I can't believe I've been sleeping on this product since. Like, I've been hearing about like hyaluronic acid, but I was like, oh well, whatever. But when I finally jumped on the bandwagon, when I bought this, I was like, Oluchi, where have you been? Why have you been sleeping? This is like hands down one of my favorite products from The Ordinary. Like, you would see results like as soon as you apply it. So I saw a visible difference on the very first day I applied it. The first time I applied it, like my skin felt more alive. Not that my skin isn't popping, but my skin felt even more plump, more vibrant. Like, it felt so good. So yeah, and in case you don't know, hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. So you see, like, that's why it's a very essential product. And you can even mix it alongside your other like creams if you want to. Yeah, that's a good thing about it. And then talking about B5, vitamin B5 does similar things to that hyaluronic acid does. It plumps the skin, it helps with moisture and everything. So it's just like 2-in-1. So it's this bottle right here is an essential. Even if you don't want to buy any other products from The Ordinary, try and get this one if you don't already use hyaluronic acid. If you've never tried hyaluronic acid, just grab yourself one, and come on, it's just £5 something. And then what else do I have to say about this? So I use this morning and night. I use it before, like I use this just basically maybe when after washing my face, I tone. Then it depends on what treatment I'm using on that day. If I'm using, let's say, my retinol, I'll use my retinol before using this one, because this one is slightly thick. And then after like using the retinol or my vitamin C, I would let it absorb into the skin first before I apply this. Then after applying this, I'll go on with my moisturizer and then possibly my SPF. So I use this on the days in the like daytime. I use it on the days that I'm not going to wear makeup. But if I'm going to wear makeup, I will not wear this because this has done me something like this has done me strong thing. So like I remember the first time I used it with makeup, like when I applied my makeup, I noticed that my makeup was like peeling. So it doesn't really go with a lot of makeup products unless your makeup is going to be very minimal. So if you haven't used this product before, or if you're using it and you notice that your makeup has been peeling, this is the culprit. So this is the only downside of using this product with your makeup. Other than that, it's amazing. So you can wear it at night time, like you have no excuse, you're not wearing makeup at night, or on the days that you won't be wearing makeup, you throw it on. So that's just the downside for me, and it's not even a major con. Like it's something that as long as I can use it at night, so that's it. It's just so unfortunate that it peels. I think it's because of the molecular size. It's with this one, I think it has like, it comes in 3 different, I think I don't even know. So but with this one, like, yeah, it's when it's some like a reasonable amount to definitely sink into your skin, but you have that bit that will just hang, and I think that's the one that tends to peel when you use it with your makeup. So if your makeup has been peeling when you've been using this, thank me for telling you why your makeup has been peeling. So don't use it when you're wearing makeup, find an alternative. So yes, I will definitely be repurchasing this. In fact, I will repurchase the bigger bottle because this one is just, it's just, I don't even know. Maybe at the most I can use it is just a month because we run out of it quickly. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So let me come a bit closer. So can you see it's dropping? Can you see that it's gooey? So generally that's how hyaluronic acid is, and when you rub it on your skin, see, it just feels like you're like putting water onto your skin. Like this feels good. This feels so good. Can you see how my hand looks? So this is an essential for me. Like I can't do without this. I can't believe that it took me this long to get this. Well, it's because I just became a skincare junkie of recent. So yes, that has to be all about it for this product right here. Have you tried hyaluronic acid, or have you even tried this particular kind of hyaluronic acid? Did you experience what I talked about, the peeling? If you did, like if you've used it, if you've experienced anything, or just let me know. Let's talk about it in the comment section below. And then if you have any questions as well, let me know. And then if you have video suggestions, the kind of videos you like on my channel, don't hesitate to let me know. Finally, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.